it's me, Sahla, and this is my cousin, Faryal. And today we're going to open the LOL surprise again. And this one comes with 3 pieces. So, let's get started to opening the LOL.
Yay!
Okay. Here is the first LOL. Let's see. Okay.
Ooh, this is first.
Let's open it. Yeah, let's open it. From the zipper right here. Down the zipper. And open. Okay. Here we got it out of the plastic. So now let's open here. I will say queen bee. Strong. This guy's gonna be really strong. I'm so happy. Okay, wait, let's open this first. Cute little pink shoes. Confetti roll. Okay, it has a bracelet with a water bottle in it. So, okay, let's open this. Okay, I can feel something in it. I can feel it. The headband. It's so cute. It's a nice headband. And it matches the shoes too. Okay. Next one. Open. This is the doll. She looks so cute. And she's even doing the splits. That means she's a strong girl. Okay. Now, let's see here. More here too. Wrap here. And wrap. And it even says spin me. This is so cute. It's a nice bottle. Okay, let's see here. Spin, 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 spin. Here. Okay. Let's see what we got. This is her nice outfit. Okay. Cute little pants. Circle over here.
Oh, they're little circles?
Yeah.
What are they supposed to do?
Play and go around.
Ah, okay.
Okay. So we opened this whole doll right here. So
How many pieces did it come?
it came at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, which includes the doll.
It has the doll.
And it has
the
6
shoes. It's got the
stickers.
skirt, and it's got the bottle. It's got